Friend, welcome to Engineering Simply. Today we are going to learn a story. May 8, 1654, Germany. People of Rosenberg, Germany, along with the king, are eagerly waiting to be the witness of one of the world's greatest events. Otto von Guericke, a German scientist who is also called a German Galileo, holding two copper hemispheres in his hand, showing it to the audience. The two hemispheres were identical, having approximate dia of 37 cm. One of the hemispheres have a stopcock. The two hemispheres were joined. A leather ring dipped in paraffin was wrapped between the two hemispheres so that no air can enter between to the hemisphere. Otto von placed the nozzle of the air pump devised by him inside the stopcock and sucked all the air out from the inside of the hemisphere. Then 16 horses divided into a group of two, 8 numbers each, were tied to the hemisphere. Everybody was wondering what is going to happen. Otto von gave the signal. The horses gave all their energy to pull the hemisphere apart, but they felt as if some strong glue was holding the hemisphere together. Everybody was astonished. What invisible force is keeping the hemisphere together? Then Otto von removed the stopcock, allowing the air to enter. Now both the hemisphere got separated very easily, without any effort. Why this happened? What invisible force was holding the hemisphere together? Let's see. Everything on Earth is surrounded by air. Air may look like weightless, but it has certain weight. For 1 cm square of area on Earth's surface, air column exerts a weight of nearly 1 kg. If we represent it by pressure, it is called atmospheric pressure, which will be 1 kg per cm square. This pressure is same at any point in any direction. This atmospheric pressure acts perpendicular to the surface. Let's see how the atmospheric pressure acted as a glue in holding the copper hemisphere together. When air was present inside the hemisphere, the inside pressure and the outside pressure are equal. So the net force due to the pressure is zero. But when all the air was sucked out of the hemisphere, the inside pressure was zero, but the outside atmospheric pressure was acting on outer surface. So the net force is trying to pushing the hemisphere together. The outside atmospheric pressure is generating approximately 1000 kg of horizontal force on each of the hemisphere. Let we consider that each horse is generating 50 kg of horizontal pulling force, then 8 horse will give 400 kg on each side of hemisphere. So the net pulling force is 400 kgf, but the net pushing force due to atmospheric pressure is 1000 kgf. Therefore, the horses was unable to pull the hemisphere